Okay, I'm in Mobius and they're showing you all this on this page, talking about converting between radians and degrees. And I know when I did the first example, you know, participation activity number one, I followed their stuff. And, you know, I ended up with, there it is, the 3 pi over 4. But when you think about this, if you put 2 pi r over 3 over r, the r is always going to cancel out. So what was the point of that? I don't know. So let me just show you how I always did this. I just remembered that 360 degrees is the same thing as 2 pi radians, but I leave the r off. It's just 360 is 2 pi all the way around. And that means if you were to divide both sides by 2, the 2 cancels out, then pi by itself would be 180 degrees. And so when they asked me to convert -5 pi over 6 radians into degrees, all I do is take the -5 and I pull out the pi and stick 180 degrees in its place. And then I just do the math. And if I could do all that in my calculator, but I'm sitting here looking at it without my calculator and going 6 goes into 180 30 times. And so -5 times 30 would be a -150 degrees. That should be my answer. And I'm going to jump back to, here it is, -150 degrees. I don't, oh, they've got the little degree symbol right there. How did I do? Ta-da! And of course you can see they're doing all this proportion stuff, but why? Why? I don't know. It just, I mean, it works, but I just remember instead of doing this to convert between degrees and radians, use the proportion that theta over 180 is theta r over pi. Look at the denominators. There's a pi in this denominator and there's a 180 in that denominator. Pi is the same as 180. So just use my shortcut trick. It just works a lot easier. It really does. So like on participation activity number one, they wanted to know, was it 3/8? Yeah, they wanted to know 3/8 of a full rotation. A full rotation in a circle is 360 degrees. But 360 is the same thing as 2 pi, so I would just take 3/8 times the 2 pi. And forget the r crap. And then that just cross cancels, and there you go, 3 pi over 4. That would have been a lot easier than the way I did it before. So you decide.